Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to install the sample of the secure website. So just a early reminder that I provide you this only for reference. Yeah. So you have to create your own, and this is just for example of implementing the secure programming in creating the web application based on the previous unsecure version. So the sample you can download from the Google Drive that I already have shared with you. Yeah, and here I already have the this one. Yeah, secure. Yeah, so this one the same file I can delete. Yeah. Okay, so secure. So if you extract, yeah, this one. Okay, then I copy this folder into the htdocs. Okay, then you see CW unsecure. Now I have the CW secure. Okay, yeah, here you go. So in the CW secure, I also have the index.php. Yeah. So in the index.php now, I have added the MySQLi real escape string. This one is to prevent the SQL injection, and then implementing the hash SHA-256 for the password hashing. Okay. So the rest are the same. Yeah, but the code is different. Also, I already have added the cross-site request forgery token, yeah, to prevent cross-site scripting and also to prevent the parameter tampering. So open the browser and then after that test the website. Okay, so how to test? You click the localhost. After that slash the CW2 secure. Like this. Yeah. Okay. So email, yeah, okay, and then after that password. So we register here. Yeah, then after that, what is the name? Yeah. So this one is slightly better with the CSS cascading style sheet. Yeah. The register, the name, for example, Ryan Secure. Yeah, Ryan S. Email Ryan S at abc.net. And then password is Apple1234. Apple1234. Okay, register. Okay, registration completed. If you go back to the tab, yeah, in the here. Okay, after that go to the MySQL database. Okay, already here. So you see the user was created. We use the same table, but the password is a hash. Yeah, the password is hash. Okay, and then comments, yeah, here. This is a script. Yeah, okay. We're going to copy this, and then after that try the cross-site scripting in this website. Yeah, so okay, log in. Yeah, email Ryan's S. Yeah, then Apple 1234. Okay, log in. Okay, the name is Ryan S. Anything at any.com. Yeah. Then after that, you click this. Yeah, enter your comment. So this is cross-site scripting script. Yeah. Post the comment. Okay, comment edit successfully, and it does not run the JavaScript. Yeah, because we already prevent, yeah, by using the HTML escape string. Yeah. Okay, if you look into the database, the table comments, yeah, then you see this one. Yeah, but the website, the first one, the unsecure, is running the script. The second one is saving this just as a literal string. It does not execute the JavaScript. Okay, then there are few others features, yeah, in this website. Click here to reset the password. Yeah, forgot the password. Okay, enter the. Okay, to test this, then you need to use the real email. Yeah, because this is going to send the OTP. Okay, so for example, register here the Ryan G. Yeah, the email ryan.suryanto@gmail.com. Okay, password Apple 1234. Like this. Yeah, register. Okay, registration completed. Then log in. Yeah. Okay, reset the password. Yeah, ryan.suryanto@gmail.com. Okay, I'm not sure whether the PHP mailer configured correctly because I have made some changes. Yeah. Okay, something wrong. Yeah, so the mailer is not configured correctly yet. Yeah, so I have to change. And how to configure the PHP mailer? Yeah, so I already have edited a few tutorial in the my website. Okay, so this one CW2. Okay, let's open this one under the recording. Yeah, adding OTP via Gmail services. Yeah, and then configure user authentication using Google Login. Okay, then install them. Yeah, and then install SSL. Set up Google Recapture the video. Later I will publish this in the YouTube, yeah, my channel. Okay, let's see this one. Yeah. Oh, this one is open authentication. Oh yeah. Right one. Okay, I just download this, then after that put in the YouTube. Okay, so download. Okay, I stop recording.